Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Zalo app. First, you gotta open your app. Then you gotta log in. If you don't have one, you can create your account by keying in your phone number. You need to verify by CAPTCHA. After that, you can either choose to verify your account by receiving a code by contacting the Zalo hotline or ask for friends in Vietnam for help. I'll choose the verification code and I will send the SMS in the following format. Once you do that, you can see that you need to send a unique code to the number above, and you just need to send the verification message you can see here. And you would just need to send it by regular SMS. And once you've done, you can check the verification, and now you can enter your Zalo name. So I've chosen it here, and I can enter my birth date and just key that in. Once you do that, you key in your gender. And next, you just have to wait. And your account has been created successfully. You can update your avatar, but if you don't want to, you can just choose skip, as you can see here, and you can stay connected with your phone book contacts by allowing them, but I choose to skip it. And now you can see that you can allow access to your location and notifications for the app. And you can even look up your contacts right here. You can even add your friends by going to the top right corner and clicking on plus, or you can search them for their phone number here. And once you've added your friends, you can go into discovery mode to look at other groups that you can add and join as well. And once you go into their page, you can click on follow and you can even message them. As you can see. But the main feature here is that you can post on your timeline. So in order for you to post, you can just click on the page, post what you are thinking about today, just like a Facebook page. You can type in here what you're thinking, and you can even change the fonts, as you can see at the bottom here. And once you satisfy your font, you can even tag your friends once you've added them from your contacts. And you can even add photos from your album. So I'll just add my photo right here, as you can see. And once the photo is attached, you can click on post and your post will be saved. And that is how you use the Zalo app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.